Hi everyone, welcome to Arpita Sharma classes. I am Arpita Sharma, your educator, and let's start decoding the OPEC plus topic. आज हम OPEC plus इस topic को decode करने जा रहे हैं. It's a very important topic when it comes to your preliminary examination. Prelims की जब बात आती है तो ये काफ़ी important topic है that we are going to cover today. Okay? So let's start this topic. Now the PDF of this session you will be getting it on our Telegram channel. आपको class का PDF हमारे Telegram channel पे easily मिल जाएगा. Let's start. Before that, here's a small announcement. एक बहुत ही urgent announcement है आप सभी से. If you are preparing for 2021 or 2022 or 23 examinations, then Unacademy has launched the plus batches for all of you, which are starting from today, that is 28th of December. तो आज से 1 year and 2 year and 6 month बैचेस स्टार्ट हो रहे हैं अनअकैडमी प्लस पर. द लिंक इज गिवन बिलो इन द डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स टू सब्सक्राइब टू दीज बैचेस एज पर योर कंफर्ट लेवल. नीचे डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में आपको लिंक भी मिल जाएगा इन बैचेस में सब्सक्राइब करने का. एंड हियर द वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट अबाउट दीज बैचेस इज दैट full syllabus coverage is guaranteed. We are going to help you cover your entire UPSC CSE syllabus within a specified limited time period, and we are going to provide you top educators over here who will guide you throughout your journey. Ex-IRS officers, IPS officers, retired IAS officers are also taking classes on Unacademy Plus. You will be provided the PDF study material. Your doubts will be cleared. Dedicated doubt clearing sessions will be provided. We are also going to prepare you for interview, and prelims test series will also be provided along with the analysis of the test series. That means you will be getting your ranks in the test series, and also you will be getting the solutions. Where did you falter? Everything will be given to you, okay, by the top educators. Also mock test will be conducted, and top educators are going to deal with your individual doubts as well. If you have any doubt in any subject regarding anything, you are going to be helped by the top educators. आपको top educators help भी करने वाले हैं. So don't worry, don't think that you will be missing out on something. No, educators are going to help you at every stage in your preparation. Also, if you subscribe, you can get 10% discount by using this code Sharma20. अगर आप ये कोड यूज़ करते हैं तो आपको इजीली 10% का डिस्काउंट भी मिलेगा अनअकैडमी प्लस के सब्सक्रिप्शन पर. ठीक है, तो लिंक इज गिवन बिलो इन द डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स. डू क्लिक ऑन द लिंक, go check out the schedule, the strategy of the classes, the educators who are taking the courses on Unacademy Plus, and use this code to get 10% discount on your subscription. Even you can pay your subscription fees in EMI also. आप EMI पर भी subscription fees pay कर सकते हैं. ठीक है, so this is the code. Avail 10% discount by using this code and take your subscription today. Now in this class OPEC Plus, what we are going to study is founder members of OPEC. ठीक है, the top oil producers. Then we are going to study what is OPEC Plus, what is OPEC. We are going to study the geographical location also. And for mains, what you need to prepare, how groups such as OPEC influence the oil prices across the world. Discuss. This question can come for 150 words. That means 10 marks का question बन सकता है easily in GS paper 2 as well as GS paper 3. Okay, so let's start. शुरू करते हैं. Now these are the OPEC countries. For prelims you have to remember that OPEC, you have to remember the geographical location of OPEC countries. So let's move forward. OPEC, what is it? The full form of OPEC means Organization for the Petroleum Exporting Countries. This is the full form of OPEC because it is a permanent and intergovernmental organization. ये एक permanent और intergovernmental organization है. ये आपको point याद रखना है. You have to remember this point. Okay, let's move forward. And it was created at Baghdad in 1960 by Iran, Iraq, Kuwait, Saudi Arabia and Venezuela. This is again important point for prelims. Who are the founder countries of OPEC? It's Iran, Iraq, Kuwait, Saudi Arabia and Venezuela. तो आप ऐसे लिख सकते हो. ठीक है, this is the mnemonic to remember. It aims to manage the supply of oil in an effort to set the price of oil in the world market. As you all know, these are the major oil producing nations. So if they have created an organization, the sole purpose of that organization will be to manage the price of oil in the world, because all the other nations will try to purchase oil from these nations, right? So in order to have a strong control and hold over the production of oil in the world, this organization has been established and the headquarter is in Vienna, which is in Austria. हेडक्वार्टर कहाँ है इसका? वेना में, जो कि ऑस्ट्रिया में है. OPEC membership is open to any country that is substantial exporter of oil and shares the ideals of the organization, the principles of the organization. So these are the conditions for a country to become the member of OPEC. And today OPEC is a cartel that includes 14 nations, predominantly from the Middle East, whose sole responsibility is to control prices and moderate the supply of oil. These are the two important points that you have to keep in mind. So the next question is, then what is OPEC plus? We have studied OPEC. Now what is this plus? So additional countries who have been added into OPEC, they represent OPEC plus. The non-OPEC countries which export the crude oil along with 14 OPECs, they are termed as OPEC plus countries. Those countries who are not a part of OPEC but they export the crude oil, okay? So these are OPEC plus countries. OPEC plus countries are Azerbaijan, Bahrain, Brunei, Kazakhstan, Malaysia, Mexico, Oman, Russia, South Sudan and Sudan. These are the OPEC plus countries. And these are the non-OPEC countries. These are not a part of OPEC, but yes, they export crude oil. Saudi Arabia and Russia both have been at the heart of a 3-year alliance. Alliance means grouping of oil producers known as OPEC plus. Their aim is also to shore up the oil prices and production cuts. Production expense को नीचे लाना है, oil prices को बढ़ाना, इनका aim है OPEC plus countries का. So OPEC plus refers to the alliance of crude producers who have, that is crude oil exporters, who have been undertaking corrections in the supply of oil market since 2017. You have to remember the countries who are a part of OPEC plus organization. ठीक है, आपको नाम याद रखना है. Now the question is, why this OPEC plus came into existence? When Russia concluded the Vienna Agreement in 2016, the Russian leadership believed that it would help prepare the country for Russian presidential elections in March 2018. And higher oil prices ensured Kremlin's financial capacity, because of which they could also succeed in the electoral campaign. That is why it was thought that we need to satisfy the general needs of the population to ensure sustainability of Kremlin's grouping with powerful tycoons, including the controlling of oil production. We all know that if a country can control the oil production, oil prices, economically that country will fare well. So that is why this particular plus existence, this particular plus alliance came into existence. And why it is in news lately? ये अभी news में क्यों है? Because Russia expects to support an increase in oil production by OPEC plus, right? This news came in the month of February 2020 that Russia is planning to increase the prices of oil, right? Russia is the leading oil producer of the OPEC plus organization. Okay, so that is why this topic was in news. So I hope you enjoyed this class. ये था आपका prelims perspective से OPEC के बारे में सारी important information. The PDF will be uploaded on my Telegram channel, and do not forget to subscribe to Unacademy Plus 1 year and 2 year batches. Use code Sharma20 to get 10% discount as well. Okay, the link is given below in the description box. Thank you.